Okay, so it is no secret that I am obsessed with fall and I'm obsessed with pumpkin, and you guys are probably already sick of this. Well, a lot of you probably are. Some of you probably hate pumpkin spice lattes, but that's what we're making today. I'm here with Bites by Brit.
Hi guys!
And we are getting ready to make pumpkin spice lattes and pumpkin muffins.
Yay!
I am beyond excited, but we are obsessed with the fall, so we have to make fall drinks and we have to make fall snacks or baked goods, because why would you not? Like I said, we're gonna make pumpkin spice lattes and we're gonna make pumpkin muffins.
I think they are vegan
because we don't have that many ingredients, and we're gonna substitute. We're gonna be substituting some ingredients as well that we don't have. So get ready. Grab your own pumpkin spice latte, or maybe just do this with us and see how it turns out.
Yeah.
Fun fact, every time we make something together, it always ends up coming out.
I was literally thinking that. I was gonna say that. We always fuck. Can we curse on YouTube? We always mess things up every time we make it, but we are determined, and this one's gonna be good.
Yeah, so hopefully this comes out good, because this is like what we're obsessed with. We've been getting pumpkin spice latte since it came out a couple weeks ago.
Yes.
So let's see if we can recreate it here. Okay, so we have the ingredients. We're gonna start off with the pumpkin spice lattes because it's getting a little bit later and I don't wanna have too much caffeine later on at night, because I'm not gonna be able to go to sleep. So let's start with that. So now let's just start off by making the coffee first. So we have our tiny little greca here, so we can make our espresso
coffee for one.
And we're gonna be using the Pilon coffee just to make the espresso. So since it's so tiny, we're gonna have to do like batches, so that's why we're starting off with this.
I fill it up to the top, but I don't know if I think that I always my coffee because
This is the coffee that my mom uses. So.
And her mom makes the best coffee.
Have you guys ever seen those TikToks where it's like people are using those coffee makers but they're substituting the water for milk? I have one of those and I made that, like I tried to recreate it because I was like, this looks really freaking good, and it didn't work. Don't do that. Because all that happened was that I burned the milk and it just tasted like really bitter coffee with milk. It did not taste good. Oh, we have an assistant. This is who you hear in
our sous chef.
They want the most attention, and I'm sorry we can't give it to you right now, but this is who's in the background.
Bye chefs, sous chefs. All right, so because the little coffee thing only makes 1 cup, we're just gonna fill this up because we want enough for both of us. So that's what we're reaching for.
I also wanted to make pumpkin cream cold brew because I love it, but there was just too many ingredients. I can't carry all that. So. Yeah. I have this little container to hold all of the coffee while we make it in batches. So.
All right, ready for the next cup?
Yep.
All right, here's cup number 2. Yum, smells so good.
Okay, so that took forever because
here we go.
We had to do 3 batches to fill it up to here. I hope that this is enough for the both of us. So let's see what's next. It is. So ingredients, we need 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, 2/3 cup pumpkin puree, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So the first thing that we gotta do, because right now what we're gonna do is make the like the pumpkin syrup,
the puree.
Yeah, because we already have step 1 down. We already have the coffee,
mixing bowl.
Yes, mixing. Okay, you got it. You on top of things. Okay, so it says combine sugar and water in a small pot. It says a small pot, not a small bowl.
Oh, a pot. Yes, I do. Okay. Take this back.
Our bad.
And we have this small pot. So.
Okay, so here we're gonna combine.
Are we cooking it though? Like, why do we need a pot?
You have to cook it so we can mix it together.
Okay. All right. So
let's do the sugar first. 1/2 cup of sugar.
Okay. It says, "Oh, hey, sugar."
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is the 1/2 cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of water. Woo! And now we just have to stir it until it melts. And then let me see the next steps.
All right.
Because after this starts boiling, we have to bring down the temperature. Yeah. We're just gonna open this up because we forgot about opening this up. That's starting to boil. So
you want to turn it down to low? Let's see.
At this.
Ooh, wait, let me smell it. Oh, I love pumpkin. It's so fresh. That's fresh pumpkin. But
yes,
how much of that do we need?
Okay, so 2/3 a cup.
Wait, I think I want to add that. I'm making a reel, guys. My first reel on Bites by Britt B. So I think that I want to record that for a second. Like just the pumpkin, because I just love pumpkin.
Oh, I gotta open the condensed milk too. Oh my gosh,
yeah.
this water is gonna evaporate before we even get to put anything in. So we have the condensed milk too. Let me not spill it.
It says it right
That's
there.
a lot of, okay, that's a lot of condensed milk. So let's do it.
I'm really excited for this. Ooh, pour that baby in. Ooh, I love that. That looks so good.
It is so heavy. It's coming out so slow. Pumpkin pie spice. We are adding salt.
You just stir it in. Okay, that's it.
Once this is done, we need to put it in a jar and to put in the fridge to cool off. Okay, so we mixed everything together on the stove. And now we have this little mason jar because we're supposed to put the pumpkin syrup inside here and then put it in the fridge so that it can cool down and then we can put everything together. I'm so excited.
You don't let it cool
Remove
here?
from heat and, oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's like remove from heat and let the pumpkin sauce cool. Store in a jar in the refrigerator. Got it.
Okay, see,
That's why we're doing this together, not by ourselves.
Oh my god, that smells so good.
Oh. So we're gonna let that cool, and I think that we should probably like get the other ingredients together, right?
Yes.
Because we're making muffins.
Just pumpkin everything.
Just sugar everything.
Oh yes. I'm a big sweet, so give me all the sugar. Sugar.
Okay, so we're gonna set that off to the side. So we gotta pull up the recipe. We have to preheat the oven 350.
Oh, well, that would be a good start. Hold on. Cutting the recipe in half since we're limited on ingredients. So I just do like that so it doesn't stick. So once we're ready, we just pour it in. We're gonna do purple today because we don't have many colors.
So we totally forgot that she's in the middle of making an Instagram reel and we can't go from latte to muffin back to latte. That makes no sense. So we're just gonna continue with the pumpkin spice, and honestly the next few steps is like, so combine the milk, pumpkin puree, sugar. We just have regular milk because I want it to taste similar. So 2 cups of milk.
Similar to what, Starbucks?
Yeah, even though it's not gonna be the exact same, but it'll be similar enough.
I think close enough, yeah.
I have the Nespresso pods that are pumpkin cake spice, and they don't taste exactly the same, but I still really like them, so I'm hoping.
As long as it's pumpkin, I'm satisfied.
Okay, so we're gonna do 2 cups of milk, and then we're gonna mix it with
the pumpkin?
Yeah, we have the fancy tablespoon. I love these little things.
So we're doing 4?
Yeah.
All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I always like to add a little extra just because I love pumpkin. So we're gonna do 5 for fun.
We got the sugars.
Got the sugars. 2 of them?
Yeah. Okay, and then we're just gonna put that in the microwave.
Do we mix this up?
It says combine it.
Okay,
So we should just mix it?
yeah, I have this thing here.
This is turning orange.
Yeah, but it's not a lot of pumpkin. I like a lot of pumpkin.
So should we add a little bit more? Let's add a little bit more.
Yeah, I think so because it says tablespoons. Where's the? If it was up to me, I would put this whole damn cup in there.
So here is our milk. You can see a little hint of the orange. So now we just have to put this in the microwave and then heat it up for 1 to 2 minutes.
In the microwave?
Yes, and then we gotta whisk it.
Okay, let's do, because this is already hot, let's do 1 minute.
Yep, whisk vigorously until the milk mixture is foamy. So 30 seconds. We gotta whisk. We're almost done. It's literally only 2 steps after this. Well,
Yay.
1 step after this.
I'm excited. I'm just not like that great at whisking, but we'll see how that goes. We're vigorously. And why are we doing this?
I don't know. To make it foamy? Oh, because it's a latte, duh.
Ah. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, ready? Still not super foamy.
Topping it off with some pumpkin pie spice.
Ooh.
Not
Yay.
too much. Okay, so we're just gonna taste it. See if it actually came out good.
Yeah.
So,
cheers. Mmm. That tastes good. But
it just tastes like coffee.
It tastes like coffee. It's light pumpkin. I told you, like, we put a lot of milk and not a lot of pumpkin puree in it.
And we added like more than they told us to add.
Because it tastes good. It's not bad.
Oh, wait.
What's wrong?
I tasted a little bit more now. Oh, I want a little bit more too.
Yeah, I'm adding more to this because the coffee tastes really good, but I'm more like, I want a stronger pumpkin flavor.
So now we can continue with the muffins.
Yes.
And just have pumpkin everything. Okay. We've been at this for hours.
Okay, so we have the milk, apple cider, flour, salt, baking soda. We don't have baking soda, we have baking powder. Cinnamon we don't have nutmeg or cloves. We have the sugar. We don't have brown sugar, we have pumpkin puree, oil, and vanilla. All right, that's all we need.
Mix the milk and vinegar in a small bowl and set aside.
All right, so first we do the 1/4 of milk. This is actually vanilla too, so it's gonna be extra sweet. 1 teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar.
Mix the flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves.
Okay, so all the dry ingredients. Okay, so we put the salt. We put the salt in there. Now we're gonna do baking powder. We don't have baking soda, so just baking powder. It was 1 teaspoon. I feel like we haven't failed so far, so let's hope this works. Just a little extra. That's it. Okay, and then we need 1/4 of pumpkin puree. All right, just gonna mix it all together. All right, we're gonna do the oil. So we're gonna add this in here. And then we mix this first, I think, and then we add in the flour?
Yes.
Okay.
Mix it so smooth.
Okay. Oh, here it is. All right. All right. Just add the whole thing in?
Yep, and mix, mix.
Let's do it. Ooh. I'm really excited for this. Yeah, see, it's gonna be like a dough. Are we doing this right? All right, now evenly distribute the batter into the muffin tin, filling all 12, but we're doing 6. And then bake for 20 to 24 minutes.
Okay.
All right, are you ready to watch us pour? I think you feel halfway. Oops.
Yeah, oh.
Oops. That might be a lot. I'm honestly not a baker. I can cook, but I'm not the best baker. And then we're gonna come out. Chloe!
This one. Okay.
All right, let's put it in
the oven.
Oh wait, let's set our timer.
Look at how cute.
We're baking here, guys. Let's throw it in first and then we'll set it because, ooh, I'm so excited for this. It looks like we did it right, so I'm hoping. All right, now we're gonna set the timer. We're gonna put 20 minutes.
So we are going to wait until that's done and then we'll check back in with you guys once these are done. All right, we gotta do this quick because the sun is going down and the lighting is not good. So the muffins are done. We are about to take them out, so.
Yay! Let's do it. Let's check. Let's see, it smells amazing. Ooh, it's sizzling. Careful, it's very hot. Careful.
Show them, ooh.
Beautiful. Okay, watch your back.
Yeah, don't drop them.
No, I won't. Beautiful. Okay.
Okay, so we're just gonna let them cool down and then we will taste test them.
In that
for
case,
you. We're gonna taste test them for you in a little bit.
Once
so
they cool.
yeah. Okay, here they are.
Yeah.
We put them in this little tray or whatever this is called.
It's a platter.
A platter. But
It's
here they are.
You know what? I don't know what it is.
Okay. Here they are. Let's try these out.
Wait. Oh, really quick.
I ripped it.
I know, it's okay. Wait.
They're still warm.
Okay, let's show it. It's a little, kind of got stuck to the liner, but let's see.
All right.
This is vegan, by the way. Kind of like a biscuit. Is it dry? It's not that dry. It's not bad.
Almost got stuck.
So it's not terrible, but
It needs cream cheese. Like right
sure.
in here. That would have been so
it would
good.
have been perfect. It's not bad, but it's not like amazing.
I guess better luck next time. Again.
Okay, well, I think honestly though, even though it's not like the best, we still did a pretty good job.
I need something on this.
Or water, because you fucking choking over here. It's like a Popeye's biscuit.
The dogs down here want some. They're begging me, look. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. This took all day. All day.
We lost our lighting.
So, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.